Close your eyes for a moment. Feel your heartbeat. Every choice you make, every word you speak, every thought that crosses your mind. Allah is noticing. Not to punish, but to guide. Some habits quietly push you away from His mercy, and some actions dim the light in your heart without you realizing. Today, we will uncover 6 things Allah dislikes. These are not warnings to fear, but mirrors to check your heart, reminders to realign your path, and keys to open peace you may have been missing. Listen closely, because what you hear now can change how you live today. The first thing Allah dislikes is arrogance. It creeps in quietly, in the way you look at others, in the way you feel about yourself. Thinking you are better, smarter, or stronger than someone else may seem harmless, but it blocks humility and dims your connection with Allah. Humility is not weakness, it is strength. Every time you pause, reflect, or bow in prayer, let it remind you that true peace comes when pride is replaced with gratitude. Imagine the weight lifting from your heart when arrogance is gone, replaced by sincerity and love for Allah. Second, ingratitude. We are surrounded by blessings, yet too often we complain or take them for granted. A roof over your head, food on your plate, the people who love you. How often do you pause and say Alhamdulillah? Ingratitude turns blessings into burdens. Gratitude transforms life. Start small, noticing even one gift today. Let your heart whisper thanks, and feel the quiet light of contentment, filling spaces that worry and frustration once occupied. Third is lying. Words carry immense power. A single falsehood can break trust, harm relationships, and leave your soul uneasy. Allah sees beyond what others notice. Truth may feel uncomfortable at times, but it clears the heart and strengthens the soul. Think about the last time a lie caused pain, even to yourself. Honesty frees you. Let every word you speak be sincere, and watch trust and peace grow around you. Fourth, breaking promises. Every commitment you make, no matter how small, holds weight. Ignoring a promise erodes trust with others, and dims the light in your heart. Keeping your word shows integrity, honor, and love for Allah's guidance. When your actions align with your words, your soul finds calm, your relationships deepen, and your life carries dignity. Reflect on what promises you can honor today, and feel the peace that follows each fulfilled pledge. Fifth is envy. Looking at what others have, and wishing it were yours creates emptiness inside. Jealousy clouds contentment and blocks blessings. Allah knows what is best for you. Celebrate the success of others, and focus on your own journey. Gratitude and patience cultivate joy that envy cannot touch. Each time you feel envy rising, pause, breathe, and remind yourself that your path is yours alone, and every blessing meant for you will never miss you. Finally, neglecting the needy. Allah loves generosity, even in small forms. Ignoring someone in need, turning away from opportunities to help, or withholding kindness leaves a quiet regret in the heart. Even a simple smile, a kind word, or a small act of help carries immense reward. Your compassion is a bridge to Allah, connecting your soul to mercy, love, and purpose. Look around you today. Where can you give without expectation? How can a small act of care change someone's life and your own? Reflect on these 6 things today. Humility over arrogance, gratitude over ingratitude, truth over lies, keeping promises, letting go of envy, helping those in need. Small, intentional changes reshape the heart and draw you closer to Allah. Life is a series of choices. Make them count. Let your heart be light, your words sincere, and your actions pure. Allah is always near, always watching, always loving. Let His guidance transform your life from this moment onward. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs this reminder. Like, subscribe, and let us walk together on a path of reflection, love, and light. Your small action today can ignite change in hearts far beyond your own.